Hey guys, welcome to the Crypto Miner Bros YouTube channel. This is a specific how-to video on how to set up your new Bitmain Antminer Z or Z15 Pro. This miner is a very profitable miner currently as of recording. I think it makes over $40 a day. So I'm just going to show you guys how to set this thing up. Thank you to CryptoMinerBros.com. If you guys are interested in a Z15 or any other ASICs out there, feel free, go check out their website. They got the best prices and customer support as well. Feel free to use code REDPANDA. You get another $70 off each ASIC ordered. All right, let's go ahead now and set up the Z15 Pro here. So it's gonna come in a pretty big box like this, and it will come nicely foam padded just like this, and it's gonna be wrapped in a anti-static bag as well. All right, so the Z15 Pro will be nicely packed, nice and safe when it comes to shipping it to your door. So now, once you have it unboxed here, you gotta make sure, I guess before you buy this, you gotta make sure you have the power infrastructure to mine with one of these things. They require two C13 to like C14 power cables that go into a 240 volt 30 amp PDU or a 50 amp PDU, but I have a 220 volt electrical plug that was wired into my house. So you got to make sure you have a Red Seal technician, make sure they're able to wire something in like this to your house if you have 240 volt. If you're in North America, you most likely need to have this wired in. If you're in Asia or Europe, you're probably fine because you already have native 220 volt already. Anyways, next part you need to figure out with this miner, there is no Wi-Fi on these things. They are all Ethernet based miners, okay? So Ethernet, wherever you decide to mine with this, you're gonna need an environment in which it's gonna extract a good amount of heat. This thing is gonna pull about 28 to 3,000 watts at the wall. So it's gonna extract and push out a lot of heat here. So you do need to have an environment in which, you know, it's also gonna be a little bit loud, which I'll show you guys later, and it's gonna output a lot of heat. So power, wired internet for the Zcash miner, and as well as you gotta be cognizant if noise is a concern for you or not. So with that out of the way, once you have it placed where you want to mine with it, now we're gonna plug in the power cables, okay? So make sure your Ethernet is in. Then we're gonna plug in the two C13 to C14 power cables right into the bottom right of the miner, okay? And make sure, I always like to wire in or plug in the cables into the PDU first, and then you plug in these ends into the miner second. Okay, so now it's gonna start ramping up here. And now you want to go to a computer and you want to find the IP address of this device. So you can do that by using your home router. You should see a DHCP address that'll come up. And if you want to find the MAC address of the Z15 Pro will be through a sticker at the top. Okay, so if you see this as a MAC address on your home router, then you can see the associated IP address. Log that into the web browser, just type that into the web browser and you can log into it, which is going to be root and root. I'll show you guys a different way in the computer right now. Okay, so you want to download a software called Advanced IP Scanner. It's a freeware software that you can install on your Windows machine if you're using Windows. On Mac, I think there's a Mac one or something similar. Otherwise, again, I said you can use log into your router and you can get the IP address that way. But in this case, I already scanned my network here. And for you guys, it might be 192.168.1.0 or 1.1 to -254. That will scan your IP range. Then you should see a bunch of IP addresses, and the Z15 Pro should have a host name of Antminer. Then that'll come up. So my IP is 10.100.100.216. We're gonna plop that into the web browser, okay, any web browser, and you'll come up with the login page. Username is gonna be root, password is root. Sign in, and you will be in the Z15 Pro web GUI. Now, we're gonna need to set up the mining pool. So, my mining pool of choice, which they just enabled, is powerpool.io. Feel free to create an account, and you're gonna want to set up your own username, your email address, password, confirm password, and there's a referral code. If you use referral code RPM, you get an additional 0.5% pool fees off your pool fees. Okay, so once you create an account, then you're gonna wanna be able to go to dashboard and then go to add worker. So this is where we're gonna be choosing Equihash, which is for Zcash, and we can see here the pools that we can copy, okay? We're gonna copy straight into the mining address here, okay? And we're gonna copy the backup one as well, paste that in, and that is good, okay? Then you're gonna wanna put in your miner name, which is gonna be the username that you created for PowerPool. In my case, mine is Red Panda Mining, and then put a period to distinguish a worker name. Mine's just called Z15 Pro 01. You guys can give it any name that you want, but make sure you copy that 3 times to each of the miner names here. Then for password, you just do XXX and hit save. And that is going to save. It's going to take about 5 minutes for it to start ramping up and start mining. Now, if you have a problem, okay, check your firmware version. All right, you want to make sure at the bottom left that your firmware version is on the latest firmware, because you might have a problem if your Z15 Pro does not mine. So in that case, you want to go to Bitmain's firmware website, service.bitmain.com, go to their support. Then you want to check on Zen or ZEC, Equihash, go to the Z15 Pro on the list, and you want to make sure you download the latest firmware for your Z15 Pro. So updated for 2026 of May. Okay, so you want to hit download on that. You go back to your Antminer, you go to system, you go to firmware upgrade on the left, click on that, and just make sure you click on the update file like this, and keep the same settings and hit update. It's going to take about 5 minutes, but it will restart, and once says the process is done, it will go and you can go to dashboard and it should start mining if you're on the latest firmware. Okay, so that's it. Then it's going to start going to your PowerPool account, which you guys can see here. I have my PowerPool account mining Equihash right here successfully, and that's it. With PowerPool, it's great because they can also convert the Zcash into USDC, Bitcoin, or Dogecoin even. It's really good. It's really good. You can just go to settings, go to wallets, and then you can choose which currency you want to be paid out in. It could be Zcash if you wanted to, BTC, Dash, ETC, LTC, CAS, Doge, you know, any currency that you want paid out in. So that's how you guys connect. Okay, let's go back out. Okay, this is how much power the Z15 Pro takes, under 2,900 watts. Then the sound, I said I would show you guys the sound decibel rating for the Z15 Pro, so here it is. Decently loud, couple feet away, 75 decibels. So not too bad. So depending where you have this mining, that's how loud it will be. It's not terrible, but it is a big boy ASIC miner, but it's making money currently. All right, my friends, that's it. That's how you set up the Bitmain Antminer Z15 Pro. This is the 860 KSol version. So thank you to Crypto Miner Bros. If you guys are interested in this or any other ASIC miners, go check them out. Use code REDPANDA for 70 bucks off your whole order. Thank you to Crypto Miner Bros. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.